Good day everyone. Welcome to the Learning K-12 channel. Yeah, you guessed it right. We are learning about batteries today. A battery is a device that supplies energy to equipment and makes it work for us at our convenience. But how does a battery supply energy? To understand this process, first we need to know what is a battery made of. So let's cut open a battery. There is an outer protective cover over a battery that can be made of steel, plastic, or some polymer. A container made of zinc is found beneath the outer cover. There are three main parts of a battery: the cathode, the positive side of the battery, the anode, the negative side of the battery, and an electrolyte. Let's see a more detailed picture of battery. A mixture of chemicals called the electrolyte is filled inside the battery. A carbon rod that serves as a positive electrode cathode is dipped in the center of the electrolyte. Zinc can serve as the negative electrode anode. A separator prevents the contact between anode and cathode. So now we know that a battery stores chemicals in it. When a battery is connected to a wire in a circuit, a chemical reaction starts between the anode and the electrolyte. As a result of this chemical reaction, an excess of electrons is produced at the anode. These electrons need to reach the cathode to maintain the balance, but cannot pass through the electrolyte or separator. The only way for electrons to reach the cathode is to flow through the wire of the circuit connected to the battery. The flow of electrons through the circuit produces an electric current. This electric current is used to power up the appliances connected to a circuit. Hence, a battery uses chemical energy to produce electrical energy. When the chemicals inside a battery are consumed or cannot cause a chemical reaction, the battery is unable to produce electricity. Such a battery can be used only once and is called a primary battery. We generally use primary batteries in flashlights, toys, and different type of remotes. But some batteries can be used more than once. A battery that can be recharged and used more than once is called a secondary battery. For example, the battery of mobile phones, the battery of smartwatches, and the battery of electric vehicles. When such batteries are connected to electricity, a reverse electric current restarts the chemical reaction inside the battery and makes it functional again. Thanks for listening. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you have learned something interesting today. Remember to click the bell to get the latest updates. Thank you.